President Rodrigo Duterte has endorsed Representative Manny Lopez to be the mayoral candidate of Manila in the 2022 elections. PDP Laban Secretary General Melvin Matibag announced that the ruling party nominated Lopez as its official candidate. The veteran lawmaker has accepted the endorsement, promising to continue serving Manileños. Lopez is on his second term as Manila's 1st District Representative. He won in the 2019 elections under the NPC or the Nationalist People's Coalition. He is the son of former Assemblyman and former Manila Mayor Mel Lopez.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.